Learn Gujarati from English, office sentences with
विनंती,
and.
कार्य,
Welcome to the office circus. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati with files, calls, requests, and the kind of office drama that somehow always starts with one email. Relax, laugh a little, and repeat out loud with me. Welcome in. Today, your coworkers are imaginary, your stress is optional, and your Gujarati is getting stronger. We are learning 5 useful ideas. First,
ગઈકાલે મોકલવામાં આવેલી ફાઇલ સાચી છે.
that means the file that was sent yesterday is correct. Second,
જે વ્યક્તિએ ફોન કર્યો હતો તે મૈત્રીપૂર્ણ હતી.
the person who called was friendly. Third,
મુલતવી રાખેલી મુલાકાત મને અનુકૂળ છે.
the postponed appointment suits me. Fourth, a handy word.
વિનંતી,
Request. And fifth,
પૂર્ણ થયેલું કાર્ય મુશ્કેલ હતું.
the task that was completed was difficult. Basically, congratulations. You now speak the emotional language of every office on earth. The file that survived yesterday. Let's start with the file, because in every office story, the file is either a hero or a tiny disaster in a rectangle. Today, thankfully, it is a hero. Say it slowly.
ગઈકાલે મોકલવામાં આવેલી ફાઇલ સાચી છે.
Break it in your mind.
ગઈકાલે,
Means yesterday.
ફાઇલ,
Means file.
સાચી છે.
Means is correct. Now the mini scene. Everyone in the meeting looks terrified. One person has opened 3 spreadsheets and lost hope. Then you clear your throat like a movie detective and say,
ગઈકાલે મોકલવામાં આવેલી ફાઇલ સાચી છે.
please check.
કૃપા કરીને તપાસો. ગઈકાલે મોકલવામાં આવેલી ફાઇલ સાચી છે.
Try repeating just the key ending.
સાચી છે.
Nice. That little phrase sounds like relief wearing office shoes. A friendly caller, miracles happen. Now let's talk about the phone call. Usually, an unknown caller brings suspense. But this time, no chaos, no argument, no weird survey about your refrigerator choices. Listen and repeat.
જે વ્યક્તિએ ફોન કર્યો હતો તે મૈત્રીપૂર્ણ હતી.
Key pieces.
વ્યક્તિ,
Is person.
ફોન,
Is phone.
મૈત્રીપૂર્ણ,
Means friendly. Funny image time. Your phone rings dramatically like it is about to reveal a secret treasure map. You answer very carefully. The voice says hello so kindly that even your coffee feels calmer. Later you report.
જે વ્યક્તિએ ફોન કર્યો હતો તે મૈત્રીપૂર્ણ હતી.
Question. Who was on the phone? Answer.
જે વ્યક્તિએ ફોન કર્યો હતો તે મૈત્રીપૂર્ણ હતી.
Repeat the warm word alone.
મૈત્રીપૂર્ણ,
Good. That word smiles while you say it. The appointment that finally behaved. Schedules are wild little creatures. But sometimes a postponed appointment actually helps you, and that deserves celebration, or at least a very satisfied nod. Repeat after me.
મુલતવી રાખેલી મુલાકાત મને અનુકૂળ છે.
Notice the useful parts.
મુલાકાત,
Means appointment.
મુલતવી રાખેલી,
Means postponed.
મને અનુકૂળ છે.
Means suits me. Picture a calendar doing gymnastics. Monday says no. Tuesday says impossible. Wednesday says maybe. Then the appointment lands gently on Thursday, and you whisper like a philosopher of time management.
મુલતવી રાખેલી મુલાકાત મને અનુકૂળ છે.
Mini dialogue. A. Can we move the appointment? B. Yes.
મુલતવી રાખેલી મુલાકાત મને અનુકૂળ છે.
Practice the most useful part.
મને અનુકૂળ છે.
Excellent. That sounds like your schedule just took a deep breath. One small request. Next is a short but powerful word. It is polite, practical, and very useful when you need help, paperwork, or one more cookie from the office snack table. The word is
विनंती.
again.
विनंती.
It means request. Use it in a sentence.
વિનંતી તાત્કાલિક છે.
The request is urgent. Another one.
કૃપા કરીને વિનંતી ધ્યાનથી વાંચો.
Please read the request carefully. And now the silly version. A cat wearing glasses slides a paper across the desk. On it is written
વિનંતી.
the request? More tuna, fewer meetings. Frankly, the cat has leadership potential. The difficult task trophy. You finished the task. You survived. You deserve applause, tea, and maybe a dramatic soundtrack. Let's learn how to say it. Say the full sentence.
પૂર્ણ થયેલું કાર્ય મુશ્કેલ હતું.
Useful parts.
કાર્ય.
Means task.
પૂર્ણ થયેલું.
Means completed.
મુશ્કેલ.
Means difficult. Imagine finishing a project so huge that even the stapler needs emotional support. You lean back in your chair and declare,
પૂર્ણ થયેલું કાર્ય મુશ્કેલ હતું.
Short answer practice. Was the assignment easy? No.
પૂર્ણ થયેલું કાર્ય મુશ્કેલ હતું.
Repeat the key adjective.
મુશ્કેલ.
Perfect. That word has climbed a mountain and come back with paperwork. Rapid fire office drama drill. Now you are going to respond fast. No pressure. Okay, a tiny bit of pressure, but the fun kind. English. The file that was sent yesterday is correct. Gujarati.
ગઈકાલે મોકલવામાં આવેલી ફાઇલ સાચી છે.
English. The person who called was friendly. Gujarati.
જે વ્યક્તિએ ફોન કર્યો હતો તે મૈત્રીપૂર્ણ હતી.
English. The postponed appointment suits me. Gujarati.
મુલતવી રાખેલી મુલાકાત મને અનુકૂળ છે.
English. Request. Gujarati.
વિનંતી.
English. The task that was completed was difficult. Gujarati.
પૂર્ણ થયેલું કાર્ય મુશ્કેલ હતું.
Your friendly wrap up. You did it. You handled files, callers, appointments, requests, and difficult tasks without even needing a broken printer for realism. Let's close with one last confident run.
ગઈકાલે મોકલવામાં આવેલી ફાઇલ સાચી છે. જે વ્યક્તિએ ફોન કર્યો હતો તે મૈત્રીપૂર્ણ હતી. મુલતવી રાખેલી મુલાકાત મને અનુકૂળ છે. વિનંતી. પૂર્ણ થયેલું કાર્ય મુશ્કેલ હતું.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the Gujarati phrases again later today, and enjoy how much more natural they sound each time. You are doing great.